Good day everyone. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the importance of Linux operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of Linux operating system. The Linux operating system holds significant importance in the world of computing and technology for a variety of reasons. Number 1. Open source nature. Is open source, which means its source code is freely available to anyone. This fosters collaboration, innovation, and customization, allowing developers worldwide to contribute to its improvement and create their own distributions or distro. Number 2, customizability. Linux offers a high degree of customization, allowing users to tailor their operating system to their specific needs. This versatility extends to the user interfaces, software packages, and system configurations. Number 3, stability and reliability. Linux is renowned for its stability and reliability. It is commonly used for servers, embedded systems, and critical infrastructure due to its ability to run for extended periods without crashing or needing frequent reboots. Number 4, security. Linux has a robust security model with multiple layers of protection against various forms of malware and cyberattacks. Its permission-based system and separation of user privileges contribute to its security reputation. Number 5, vast software ecosystem. Linux offers a rich selection of software through package managers, making it easy to find and install applications. Software ranges from productivity tools to develop environments and entertainment software. Number 6, performance. Linux is known for its efficient resource utilization and optimized performance. It can run well on older hardware, making it suitable for repurposing older machines. Number 7, cost effective. Being open source, Linux is free to use and distribute, reducing software licensing costs. This makes it an attractive choice for businesses and individuals looking for minimized expenses. Number 9, compatibility and portability. Linux supports a wide range of hardware architectures, making it adaptable to various devices from smartphones and tablets to servers and supercomputers. Number 9, community and support. The Linux community is a vast and passionate. Online forums, mailing lists, and documentation provide extensive resources for troubleshooting, learning, and getting assistance. Number 10, education and learning. Linux serves as an excellent platform for learning about operating systems, networking, programming, and other technical skills due to its transparent design and wide availability of learning resources. 11, server dominance. Linux is the dominant choice for server operating systems, providing a significant portion of the Internet's infrastructure, cloud services, and data centers. Number 12, Internet of Things or IoT. Linux adaptability and scalability make it a preferred choice for IoT devices, enabling connectivity and management of various smart devices. Number 13, privacy and control. Linux provides users with greater control over their data and privacy, as it allows them to manage and audit the software running on their systems. Number 14, innovation. Linux has been the foundation for many innovative projects and technologies, including containerization, Docker, Kubernetes, Android operating system or OS, and the Internet of Things. In summary, the Linux operating system's importance stems for its open source nature, customizability, stability, security features, versatility, performance, cost effectiveness, strong community support, and its wide range of applications across servers, embedded systems, education, and beyond. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of Linux operating system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.